Welcome to Disability Advocacy Group. My name is Alex, and I'm looking forward to chatting with you about what to expect when working with us. Our manual discusses a number of important aspects of our work together, including the life of your Social Security disability case, what to expect, milestones, communication, portal, Clio for clients, portal, communication policy, attorney fees and costs, and frequently asked questions. Today, we are going to kickstart the discussion with a chat about the initial application for Social Security disability benefits and what to expect when you receive a decision. When you file an initial application with the Social Security Administration, it generally takes about 6 to 9 months to receive a decision. Your case gets sent to the Department of Disability Services, which is a disability branch for the state in which you reside. During this time, they will be requesting and reviewing your medical records and other information that you provide to them to help them make a decision on your claim. You will usually be asked to complete a questionnaire that asks you what you do during the day and what problems you may have functioning. Many times you are also asked to complete a work history report, which is a questionnaire that asks questions about the duties of your jobs over the last 15 years. Sometimes Social Security will also ask you to go to a physical or mental examination. These things are all normal parts of the process for them to make a decision on your application and claim for benefits. If your case is approved at the initial level, Social Security will send you a notification of approval letting you know the time frame for which your case was approved. If your case is approved for Social Security benefits based on your work history, which is SSDI benefits versus solely SSI benefits, you will need to provide any information about workers' compensation claims you may have had. If you are awarded supplemental security income, referred to as SSI, Social Security will ask you questions about your resources and living circumstances. In all cases, you will be asked for a bank account for direct deposit. If you don't have a bank account, Social Security will provide you with a direct express card. You will receive a letter that is titled Notice of Award once the case is ready for payment. This will give you a breakdown of when to expect your first payment and your back pay amount. If you had legal representation during your initial application, you will also be notified if the attorney fee was approved. If your benefits are based on work credits, meaning SSDI, it is very important that you reach out to Social Security to schedule an appointment to file for benefits for any minor or disabled children or other eligible dependents based on your approval. Unfortunately, there are times when instead of receiving an award of benefits after applying, you receive a denial. In those situations, the next step is to file a reconsideration request. A reconsideration request is asking Disability Determination Services for a review of the initial denial of disability benefits. Generally, this will be assigned to a different caseworker who was not involved in the initial decision to deny your claim. A reconsideration request must be filed within 60 days of the date the denial letter. At this stage, you must let Social Security know in writing why you believe that denying your disability claim was not proper. This process takes between 3 to 5 months in order to get a new decision. If you file a reconsideration request on your own, you must do it online or by contacting your local Social Security office. If you are a current client of Disability Advocacy Group, we will file a request for reconsideration for you. If you are a new client looking for representation during this process, we can also assist you in filing the reconsideration or handling a reconsideration that has already been submitted. During the reconsideration review, the Disability Determination Department will review your information and request new and updated medical records. They may also send you for a consultative examination at their expense. During the initial application and reconsideration stages, it is important to keep your lawyer and Social Security updated on any important medical changes, such as a new specialist doctor or a procedure you may be having. It is also important to be responsive to requests for information and to have forms completed. After Disability Determination Services receives updated medical evidence and reviews both the old and the new material evidence, a decision will be made. If your claim for Social Security disability benefits is approved, you will get a notification in the mail letting you know of the approval. This is called a Notice of Award. Once it is approved, the process that would occur at the initial level will take place, meaning you will communicate with your Social Security local office about workers' compensation and resources in the cases of SSI before benefits will be paid. If the case is denied, you will receive a denial letter in the mail explaining what medical sources they used to make the unfavorable decision. This decision will have a date of denial on the top right-hand corner of the letter. This date is very important if you wish to continue with the process of appealing the decision of denial and request a hearing with an administrative law judge. We certainly hope you found this information helpful. Please continue to watch our client information series. Current clients can always get in touch by sending a message through our secure client application, Clito for Clients. You can also text us at 833-765-8048. You can email us at team.disabilityadvocacygroup.com. Or you can call us at 267-460-1099. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.